at some point you have to stop taking all of the courses and start taking action. So let's go. Here's how to make money again online. So we're gonna be making money online with 4 easy steps. So number 1, we need a product. That's why I'm at ClickBank. Number 2, we need a audience. Number 3, we need a traffic source. And number 4, we need a landing page because we want to send the traffic somewhere. So you can use ClickBank if you want, but me, for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna be using Buygood. But if we go back to Marketplace, you can click on the health and fitness. They're gonna give you a bunch of one. Me, I would do to low to high because you don't want to get involved in something as too much gravity, because too much gravity means too many competition. But at the same time, you don't want to promote something that has no gravity, because that means that it's not working. So you like the first one, and you don't want to be the first. So I would sort by high to low or low to high, and then I would check. You see Nitric Boost 122, so that means there's 122 half of people who made sale. But I would go like something 95.18. That's good. 127, 157. So I found a product there that I wanted to try. It's Live Pure. It's 100 gravity stores. There's 100 people who made money. So you would choose a product, you would click on promote, and you would follow the steps. But for this example, we're going to be using Buygood, and I'm just going to log in, and then I'm going to come back. All right, so I'm back. So my product is this one. You can see it on the screen, I hope. So because I have already a landing page with it, so I want to use this one so you could better understand. So this one was doing really good before I get my account shut by Facebook. So you want to use your own product or whatever like platform, affiliate platform you want to use. But me, I use Buygood. So there's something really important here. You want to click and watch the video because you want to identify an angle that you're gonna attack. So an angle is, what is the USP of this product? It's an angle. Is it some weird belly trick, or some weird ice or water, or something that's gonna differentiate that product from other products out there? Because there's a lot of weight loss products. So you want to watch the video and write down on a piece of paper the angle. So the first step is get yourself a product, and that's it. So this is my product. So now let's go on to the second step, is knowing if you have a demand for the market that you're in. So you can go on Google and watch and see that health, wealth, and relationships are like the 3 pillars of any hierarchy of the man and the woman and the humanity. Everybody wants to be healthy, everybody wants more money, and everybody wants some kind of relationship with another human being. So those are the 3. So the answer to the question, is there a demand for being healthy? Then yes. So let's move on to the third step. So the third step is we need the traffic source. So the one that I like to use is Facebook. Why? Because everybody is on Facebook, and you can also utilize the groups for free traffic source. So as you can see on my screen right now, we have Weight Loss USA. So this is a group. You see, one people here is promoting some affiliate link. So if you click on that, it's for sure it's an affiliate link of something. So this is a way, link in video and bio comment. So you can do the same. But the thing you have to realize is that you are on Facebook, so you have to socialize. So you have to say something like, I didn't believe it when I saw my friend after 6 months. She was slim as a pole, something like that. And I asked her how she did it, because I remember 6 months earlier how weight was a major issue. So obviously you have to use your mind, a little bit of copywriting. You can ask ChatGPT. I would write this and then I would ask ChatGPT to make some correction, more benefit value. I want to lead with more benefits and how to, but it has to be a story on social media. So that's one way you can do it. You have that free traffic technique. Now let's see the paid traffic techniques. Now for the paid traffic techniques, there's something you need to do. As soon as you get your Facebook page running and you get your Google Ads, not your Google Ads, your Facebook Business Manager account, there's something you need to do. You need to come here and create a business portfolio. Right there, you see? Create a business portfolio. You want to create a bunch of them. Why? Because at some point, I'm pretty sure Facebook is gonna block your account. You're gonna have one of your account banned. So you don't want this to happen. So what you want to do is that you want to create a bunch of them. So that's what I did. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I have 6, and I have another account under my name. You can even use one of your friends, family members, because you want to have a bunch of ad accounts, because this is how you're going to make money. So now you would take a page and then you would go on the ad manager, and then you would see all of my campaigns that it's gonna be showing in a moment, and you're gonna also see that my accounts has been restricted. Oh, it's true, I changed it from, wait a second, okay, see if I have some campaign, because my account is shut down, so I have to redo it. So don't be like me. Create multiple businesses account, like I showed you. Create like a bunch of them, and then on those business profile you want to create ad accounts. Everything fitness, everything health, everything, I don't know, wealth, everything fitness 2, fitness 3. So this is where you would create your account. Let me see which one they block. I have one. Let me see. Get this one. So you want to have multiple ad accounts, multiple businesses, multiple ad accounts. See? So this is all of the posts. And one more thing. This is one more thing you need to be aware of. You want to warm the account before you do anything. So you want to take your time to have a page. You see, I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom this for you. Here, you want to have a page, and then you want to have a boosted post, and then you want to have the traffic, and then you want to have another boosted post, and then you want to have another boosted post. You want to have between 10 and 30 posts before you start going for a sales campaign. So we call this warming the account, and if you do that, there's less chance of your account being banned. So that's what I would do. So number 1, I would create business profile, 6, 10 of it, and under each business profile I would create an ad account, like fitness 1, fitness 2, fitness 3, health 3, health 4. Then I would, step number 3, I would warm the account, post, like you have to put a light campaign every day, boosted post every 2 days, between 10 and 30, and then I would start a objective campaign of sales. That would be the last step, is campaign sales. That's the objective. So now the 4th step, which is the last step, we need a landing page, because on Facebook or on other social media platforms, they do not allow us to direct link. Sometimes you can direct link, but it's not always the good thing to do. So you want to use a software, Systeme.io, to build a landing page, or you can use also ClickFunnels. And plus, when you have a landing page, the conversions normally are higher, because you are pre-filling the person, you're pre-selling the thing, the video or the course or whatever you're trying to sell, before the person goes there. So you give them value, and then you ask them to click, and then they see the video. So I would go here, I would click on connection. So for the purpose of the video, I already have something made, so we can check out exactly. You would go here on the funnel, and then you would choose your funnel. You would create one. I already have a couple of one done, 2 done. So I would click this one. So when I click on this one, then you would modify the page. It's really easy to use, Systeme.io. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, and it's really cheap. So you're gonna be using this one. No, it's really easy and it's cheap. It's drag and drop. So me, I came with this because I watched the video, so I have an angle. So I picked that angle. Then you want to design, you want to take your time and make this looks good. Always put 2 call to action. That's something that I like to do. And then by watching the video, you're gonna have some pointers. Okay, so if you want me to do a full video on the landing page, just let let me know in the comment. I want to see the landing page video, so I'm gonna do a landing page. We're gonna try to see what kind of landing page works best. So, but for this right now, it's just, this is the page. So if you want to look at it done, that's the page. And then when people are gonna click on the image, or they're gonna click on the button here, you see, if we open the link to another page, boom, they're gonna see your product. That's it.
Hey, that's it, my friend. I hope you like this video. If you want me to help you with your making money online and affiliate marketing, you can send me a message, a private message, and I'm going to help you personally. Or you can check out the link in the description, and you can find the course that I took that helped me understand all of this, make money online with paid traffic. So don't forget to share, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Ciao.